Hi friends, today we have come with a new topic, balance sheet after the reconstruction. ओके, तो हमारे चैनल के साथ जुड़े, हमारे वीडियो फॉलो करें और अगर आपने अब तक चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब करें. लेट्स मूव. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Here we are going to prepare a revaluation account. And balance sheet after the reconstruction. For that, we are going to prepare here capital account and after that balance sheet. Okay, column you know that in revaluation account, particular amount, in capital, same, particular, for normally 3 column, to additional column for partners. Here partners name is Sajan and Nirmi. So 1 column for Sajan and 1 column for Nirmi. Same way here particular, 2 column for amount, 1 for Sajan and 1 for Nirmi. Okay, and balance sheet say liability, amount, assets, amount. Okay, so here debit side and credit side, same way here debit side and credit side. Okay. Now we have moved to the first adjustment. First adjustment is there. The value of land and building is to be increased by 10%. Value of land and building is to be increased by 10%. Look at balance sheet. In your balance sheet, land and building is given 1,40,000. Is it? Now, what is the adjustment? An adjustment is that a value of land and building is increased by 10%. Increase means plus करेंगे. So here increase how much? 10%. 10% means 14,000. So here amount should be 1,54,000. Now value of land and building is increased. So it's a profit for us. That's why we are recording which side? Credit side. What we write here? We write here land and building account 14,000. Is it? Now next exercise is that a value of machinery and furniture is to be reduced by 40%. A value of machinery and furniture is reduced by 40%. First of all, machinery. Look at the balance sheet. In your balance sheet, machinery is given 80,000. Now value of machinery is reduced. Reduce means minus reduce. 40% means 32,000. Okay, 80,000 minus 32,000, that means 48,000. Now here value of machine is reduced. So it's a loss for us. Loss we are recorded which side? Debit side. So here what we write here? Machinery account. How much? 32,000. Is it? Next, same way furniture. Furniture is also reduced by 40%. Look at the balance sheet. In your balance sheet, furniture is given 30,000. furniture is given 30,000 minus reduce how much? 40%. 40% means 12,000. 30,000 minus 12,000, that means 18,000. Now here value of furniture is reduced. Reduce means it's a loss for us. That's why we are recorded which side? Debit side. What we write here? We write here furniture account. How much? 12,000. Is it? Now next exercise is there. Third one. 1,000 bad debt reserve on debtors is not required. On debtors, 1,000 bad debt reserve is not required. Look at the balance sheet. In a balance sheet, debtors is given 40,000 minus bad debt reserve 1,500. Out of that 1,500, 1,000 is not required. That means now required amount is 500. So here, debtors is given in a balance sheet 40,000 minus BDR total bad debt reserve is given 15,000. Out of that 1,000 is not required. That means only 500 is required. So minus 500. So here remaining amount is 39,500. Is it? Okay. Now पहले bad debt reserve कितना था? 1,500. Now is 500. So 1,000 is reduced. Bad debt reserve is reduced. Bad debt is a loss for us. Bad debt मतलब पहले हमारे डूबे थे 1,500 रुपये, अब सिर्फ 500 डूबेंगे, मतलब 1,000 कम डूबेंगे. तो क्या हुआ? हमारा प्रॉफिट होगा ना. प्रॉफिट कहाँ आएगा? क्रेडिट साइड. तो व्हाट वी राइट हियर? वी राइट हियर बैड डेट रिजर्व 1,000. Okay. The next one is 1,500 repairing expense is required on for stock. 1,500 repairing expense in require in stock. स्टॉक में 1,500 रुपये का रिपेयरिंग करवाना पड़ेगा. अगर रिपेयरिंग करवाएंगे मतलब क्या होगा? वैल्यू ऑफ स्टॉक इज रिड्यूस. तो स्टॉक में से माइनस करेंगे. स्टॉक इज गिवन इन द बैलेंस शीट 31,500. ओके. तो हियर स्टॉक इज गिवन 31,500 minus the value of stock is reduced due to some require of repairing. So now value of stock is 30,000. Now here value of stock is reduced. Reduced means it's a loss for us. Loss, which side we are going to record it? Debit side. What we write here? We write here stock account. How much? 1,500. Is it? Okay. Now next one is 1,500 out of creditors is now not to be paid, which is to be recorded in a books. Out of creditors 1,500 is now not to be paid. अब चुकाने नहीं है. Creditors. Look at the balance sheet. Creditors is given which side? Liability side. So here liability side, what we write here? We write here creditors. How much? 32,000. Out of that 1,500 is not to be paid. So minus reduce 1,500. So remaining amount is 30,500. Is it? Now out of creditors 1,500 is now not to be paid. अब चुकाना नहीं है. चुकाना नहीं है मतलब इस प्रॉफिट फॉर अस. प्रॉफिट कहाँ लिखेंगे? क्रेडिट साइड. प्रॉफिट हम कहाँ लिखेंगे? क्रेडिट साइड. व्हाट वी राइट हियर? वी राइट हियर क्रेडिटर्स. हाउ मच? 1,500. Is it? The next outstanding expense is 10,000 and income receivable is 2,000. Outstanding expense rupees 10,000. Outstanding expense मतलब expense still to be paid. फ्यूचर में ये पैसे हमको चुकाने पड़ेंगे. तो वो क्या है? लायबिलिटी है. तो कहाँ आएगी? एक तो यहाँ एंट्री आएगी लायबिलिटी साइड. आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस. हाउ मच 10,000. ये पैसे हमको इन फ्यूचर चुकाने पड़ेंगे मतलब से लॉस फॉर अस. कहाँ लिखेंगे? डेबिट साइड, आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस अकाउंट, and amount should be 10,000. Next one is income receivable. Income receivable means income still to be received. In future ये पैसे हमको मिलेंगे तो मतलब ये हमारे लिए assets है. तो कहाँ आएगी यहाँ पे? Income receivable. Amount should be 2,000. ये पैसे हमको in future मिलेंगे तो कहाँ आएंगे? क्रेडिट साइड. इनकम रिसीवेबल 2,000. The next investment is to be shown at its market value. Look at the investment in your balance sheet. Investment is given 20,000. In bracket, a market value is 18,000. Investment is given in balance sheet 20,000 and market value is 18,000. That means market value is 2,000 less. So here investment we accurate investment 20,000 minus reduce 2,000. So here 18,000. Now a market value of investment is reduced. Investment value is reduced. That means it's a loss for us. Loss we are accurate which side? Debit side. What we write here? We write here investment. कितना है? 2,000. Okay. Exercise is finished. Okay. Now we are moved to remaining entry. इतना हमने अब तक सीखा था. अब बैलेंस शीट की जो रिमेनिंग एंट्री जो हमने अब तक रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया है उसको रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. पहले कैपिटल we are recorded which account in capital account? Which side? Credit side, because liability has always credit balance. Okay, so what we write here? We write here balance brought forward. Capital of Sarjan is 80,000 and capital of Nirmi is 50,000. Okay. Now next, general reserve. All the accumulated profit and loss we are distributed among the partner at time of reconstruction. So here general reserve and profit loss account. It's a accumulated profit. That's why we are distributed among the partner. Which side? Credit side. So here general reserve. General reserve is given 80,000. In which ratio we are going to use? We are use which ratio? Look at the question. Question is there. Sarjan and Nirmi are partners sharing profit and loss in 5:3. So here 80,000. 80,000 we are distributed among the partner in which ratio? 5:3. That means 50,000 and 30,000. So in general reserve 50,000 for Sarjan and for Nirmi an amount is 30,000. Okay. Now next one is profit loss account. Same side we are going to record it. We are distributed among the partner in old ratio. Amount is 48,000. That 48,000 we are distributed among the partner in same 5:3. Okay. So amount it is 8. So 5/8, 3/8. So here 30,000 and here 80,000, 18,000. Is it 30,000, 80,000? Next one is bank loan. It's a liability for us. Same way we record it. Bank loan. Bank loan. Amount is 70,000. Next one is creditors. We already recorded. Next one is bills payable. Same, it's a liability for us. Bills payable. Amount is 10,000. Now we are move on to asset side. Land and building we already recorded. Machinery we already recorded. Furniture, investment, debtor, stock. Only cash balance is remaining. So last entry, cash balance. Cash balance is given 30,000. Is it? Now this question is finished. Now we close the revaluation account. Okay. Total 32 plus 12, 44 plus 10, 54 plus 2, 56 plus 1, 57,500. 57,500. Okay. Now credit side 14,000 plus 1, 15,000 plus 1,000, 16,500 plus 2,000, 18,500. Okay. So here 57,500 minus 18,500. So remaining amount is 39,000, if I'm not wrong. Okay. So it's a divisible loss 39,000. Here total of debit side is more. That means loss is more than the profit. So it's a divisible loss. So right here divisible loss. This divisible loss we are distributed among the partner in old ratio. Partner is Sergeant and Nirmi. Ratio is 5:3. So 39,000 we are distributed among the partner is 5:3. To 5 plus 3, 8. To 5 by 8 and 3 by 8. 39,000 into 5 divided by 8. So answer is 24,375. Okay. 24,375. For here, amount is 14,625. 14,625 rupees. Okay. Now, second entry of divisible loss, where we are going to record it, cross entry in capital account. So here we write divisible loss. For Sergeant, it is called 24,375, and for Nirmi, it is called 14,625 rupees. Now we close the capital account. Total of capital account is 1,60,000. Is it? For Nirmi, it is called 50 plus 30, 80 plus 18, 98,000. Now, here we are going to find out balance carry forward. That means closing capital, which we are going to record it in balance sheet. Okay, here, capital. Total of Sergeant is 1,60,000. So here, 1,35,625. Okay, for Sergeant. How it come? 160 minus 24,375. Same way here, total 98,000 minus 14,625. Then it comes 83,375. That capital we recorded here. For Sergeant, it is called 1,35,625, and for Nirmi, it is called 83,375. Now, total of balance sheet must be same. If the total of balance is same, that means your answer is almost right. Okay. So this is the last question of reconstruction. In next chapter, okay, the same way we are going to prepare the same account, which is called revaluation account, capital account, and balance sheet. Okay. So if you are in doubt in this question, okay, give comment on comment box. We'll try to solve it. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye.